Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use NFC in your smartwatch. NFC, or near-field communication, enables short-range wireless communication between your watch and another device. Think of it as a super-fast, secure way to exchange small bits of information, often used for daily tasks. Most notably, it powers contactless payments, allowing you to leave your physical wallet at home, which is incredibly convenient for a quick stop. To begin using your smartwatch for payments, navigate to its native wallet application. You might do this directly on your watch or through its paired smartphone app. Look for the option to add a new card, then input your payment details, such as the 16-digit number and expiration date. Many banks require an additional verification step, like entering a one-time code sent to your phone to ensure security before activation. When you are at a checkout, ready to pay, simply open your watch's payment app. Select the specific card you wish to use, then hold your smartwatch very close to the contactless payment terminal, typically within 1 to 2 inches. Your watch should vibrate or emit a small sound, and the terminal will usually display a confirmation message, indicating a successful transaction. It is a quick and seamless process. While payments are the primary use, NFC on your smartwatch offers more functionality. Imagine using your watch as a digital key card to enter your office building or your gym. Furthermore, NFC simplifies device pairing. Just tap your watch against a compatible headphone or speaker, and they connect instantly. Some users even program NFC tags to trigger smart home routines with a simple tap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.